Marriage is not just about wealth and beauty. Are you ready for a happy married life? Nowadays, some people consider only money and wealth to be necessary for marriage. They do not value good character, education, family, and relationships. But it is important to remember that marriage does not run on a good job or business, praise, car, house, and beauty. Marriage is a lifelong companionship, so it is very important for the husband and wife to have love, affection, understanding of each other, and respect for each other in their hearts. If a boy or girl marries just for money, car, a house, or beauty, then their chances of getting happiness are very low. Because wealth is a thing that comes and goes, and beauty does not always last, but good character and relationships are priceless. If you want a good husband or wife and a happy married life, then instead of just looking at wealth and beauty, also keep these things in mind. Be a good person and human being. See what kind of person he really is. Does he have good character? Is he honest and truthful? Does he respect others? Understand the value of relationships. See if he understands the value of relationships or not. Does he understand the importance of his family and friends? Does he know how to maintain relationships? If he is worthy of you, see if your thinking and way of life are the same. Do your lifestyles match each other? Will you both be happy with each other? If you keep these things in mind, you may be successful in living a good and happy married life. Remember, marriage is a decision for life, so think carefully before doing it. Here are some other things you can keep in mind. Talk to each other about your hopes and dreams. It is important to talk to each other about your hopes and dreams before marriage. See what your goals in life are and how you want to achieve them. Meet each other's family. It is also important to meet each other's family before marriage. This will give you an idea of what your future husband or wife's family is like and how you will spend your life with them. Take premarital counseling. It is also a good idea to see a marriage counselor before marriage. In this, a counselor will talk to both of you and help you prepare for marriage. Marriage is a very beautiful feeling, and if you prepare well for it, you can make your married life even more beautiful. And at the same time, pray to Allah and definitely do istikhara. Ask for Allah's help. May Allah make our lives easy for all of us. Ameen ya Rabbal Alameen.